Welcome! In front of me I have Zeblaze Stratos and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and now you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the settings icon. So tap on the settings icon. Here, scroll down, find the option called set date and set time. Once you find them, tap on one of them, for example set date, and here we can change the date. To do it, swipe up and down on the year. Oh my bad, let's go back. So we can change the year, month, and the day. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. Then let's scroll down, tap on set time, and let's change the time. So again, we can change the hour and minutes, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.